Hello guys, today we will learn that how to use swept cut feature in SOLIDWORKS. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, for swept cut we should have a solid geometry which I have already created. One thing more we need to for swept cut uh, path and profile. Okay, so first of all we will create path for the swept cut. Okay, we will flat that part. Okay, now we will create a profile. I've created a pentagon profile. Okay, so now we can use the swept cut. We will go in features command. Look here, there are the three options: sketch profile, circular profile, or solid profile. We will use these one by one. Okay, so first is sketch profile. The profile is this one. Select it, then it is asking for path. Okay, select the path. Click on OK. Okay, now your swept cut is already done. Okay, as you can see. Now we will use another option of swept cut. Okay, so we will do undo. Okay, then we'll click again on swept cut. Then we will use circular profile. Okay, for the circular profile we don't need a profile, only need a path, which I have already. So we will click a path. You can see in the preview the okay, you can change the dimension from here. Look, the circular profile is also swept cut. Okay, now we will use third option of swept cut. Okay, again we will go back. As you can see, there is a solid profile. It's mean we have to create a solid profile for sweeping. So we don't need this 2D profile now. We can delete it. We will create a plane. Start point. We will create a plane at the start point of this path. Okay, so we will click on this point. sorry, click again on plane. Actually we don't need to create a plane because it is already plane. Okay, so we will create a body on this plane. Which body we are creating, that should be linked with this sketch, with the path. Okay, the body has been created. Now you can, body should be separate, it not should be merged. Now we can sweep this. Click on separate, solid body, click the solid body, then path. Okay, you can see. Just like this you can use the sweep cut features. Okay, there is another option in sweep cut, like guide curve, start tangency. I will tell you about these in my next videos. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.